Yo, what's up guys, Divyansh here and welcome again at a very fresh new episode of Tech Paradise. And today I'm gonna tell you the best 5 applications for photo editing that I concluded after a long usage. And trust me guys, after watching this video, you are gonna try some of these photo editing applications for sure. And also the picture you will render after watching this video will be much better and enhanced than you did earlier. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So before we get started, today I have an amazing application for you guys named Wallpapers Paradise. And this is a wallpaper application in which you will get 4K, Ultra HD and AMOLED wallpapers with a very large collection of daily updated wallpapers. You can download this application from the link given below in the description. So the first application on the list is Snapseed. And it is my personal favorite editing application as it is very simple to use, and it is a complete photo editing application for Android device, as it offers you a great collection of editing tools like selection, healing, perspective, tonal contrast, double exposure, white balance, tuning image, vignette and many more. Apart from that, you will get some inbuilt presets like portrait, smooth, pop, accentuate, faded, glow and many more. And the best feature what I like about the Snapseed is that it offers you a very advanced level selective tool, so you can easily adjust and tune any selection from any image. Now, the second application on the list is Adobe Photoshop Express, and this application is not like the Photoshop you get from Adobe on PC computers, but it is such a powerful photo editor for mobile device in terms of image tuning, filters and overlays. You get a great variety of filters in this application. Also, you get default cropping size according to your purpose. The best feature I like about this application is the splash orange filter, which gives a very premium look to your photos, and also you get a great variety of overlays in this application. Now, the third application on the list is Lightroom, and again it is from Adobe, and this application is a must-have application for all the photographers, as it is one of the best applications for color grading your photos. Using this application is not that hard, but on the application we already get a very simple and clean version of the software with very manual controls, and apart from that you also get some presets in this application which can color grade your photos automatically with a single click. The fourth application on the list is Pixlr Express, and this is a very old editing application, and this was the first editing application I ever used on a mobile device. Now Pixlr has improved a lot, and it is also a complete photo editing application, but I prefer Snapseed instead of Pixlr for tuning the image because it is much easier to do things on Snapseed if you compare it with doing the same thing on Pixlr. Also, the filters you get on Pixlr are not that much natural. So I use Pixlr only for adding some overlays, as it offers you a great collection of overlays, and trust me guys, the Shapical overlays gives your photos a pretty cool look. The fifth and the last application on the list is Photo Editor Pro, and it is by in short inclusive, and it is a very modern photo editing application, and by using this application you can easily edit any photo, and you get a great collection of filters, light effects, overlays, and also you can increase your muscles, your body. You can just enhance your body in this application. So in this application is basically for those who use a lot of editing, who love funky kind of editing, and also you can add tattoos using this app. You get many more features in this application. So guys, these were the best applications I concluded for photo editing, and I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot. And guys, do follow me on Instagram at techparadise_ for future updates and for exclusive giveaways. So if you have any question in mind regarding this video or regarding the best photo editing applications I concluded, please put a comment below in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Divyansh and I'll catch you in the next one.